Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you all my LEGO Speed Champions. First, I have this, and this is a Dodge. Now I have a 1985 Audi Sport Quattro, and actually this can come off, and you can put something else over there to cover and make it look flat, but this is the proper way. It makes it look scarier. Now we have the 1985 Audi Sport Quattro. This is very unique. You can take these lights out and you can make it look normal-ish. And I'm gonna put that back later. Now we have the Lamborghini Huracan Super Tuffo Evo. Very nice. The back is very nice too. Now we have the Dodge SRT. No, the Demon SRT. Very nice looking. The back looks wonderful too. Now we have the Nissan GT-R Nismo. Very nice, lots of details and many stickers too. The back looks very nice too. Now we have the Lamborghini Urus STX. Very nice, very heavy. The top opens up, and also everything, and also all the other ones too. Now we have the drivers. This is the Dodge's driver. No, this is the Dodge's driver. This is Lamborghini Urus's driver. This is the Demon driver SRT. This is the 1985 Audi Sport Quattro driver. Actually, this is not actually the real driver of the 1985 Audi Sport Quattro. This is just one I could find because I lost the other one. Now we have the Nissan GT-R Nismo's driver. I also lost that guy, but he looks very nice. Another one of them. This is a Lamborghini Huracan Tuffo Evo's driver. Very nice, I like it. Also, all helmets can come off. Here are some of the body accessories. That's Lamborghini's guys here. There's some other stuff too, like other people's hair from the Legos. And also I have this too, the Dodge stop thing. And I also have the one that comes with the Lamborghini and the Lamborghini Urus. Very nice. And I also have a pirate ship, but not good. That is for another video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and peace.